what we got here is, let's pop this guy off. This car's never been touched, so it's original stuff here. So take it easy. Flathead screwdriver will do the job there, or a fork like this is made by Snap-on. Hardware Freight sells some stuff. Okay, you see these little marks? Don't worry, that's just a little stuff on it. So let's put these to the side. So we got that baby off. Let's see if we get this guy off. It's gonna be a long little guy here, like a clip looking, and we got a Phillips in there. So let's go get Phillip head, Phillip head, Phillip head, Phillip also. So all these are Phillips, or you can put a number 8, I believe, here, but we're not gonna do that. Okay, so what the hell did I just do here? So I had to go get me a Phillip head. Okay, we're back, and we're gonna take out this panel here. It's one screw. That's the problem when you have one hand, one at a time. Let's go down here. Let them fall. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Come here. And then you don't need to have a drill, so if you have a long screwdriver, you could just use that, because my drill isn't gonna help me here unless I get extension. Okay, so here comes this baby. I'm sure that handle has to come out before we pull the panel off. So we do have a tweeter on as well. So tweeter here. Okay, it's loose. It's gonna fall out once we move everything. It's changing here, I think. Something's in here. Okay, it's changing here. It's all right. Anyways, we're gonna go a little bit more further. So we missed the one little guy here on this side right here. All you're gonna do is push this in. Usually they go in. Let me just hit this a little bit. Okay, there you go. Push it in. Yeah, it's like a clip that's the other way around. To put it in, you need to push it all out. Okay, you need to push it out like that, stick it in, and then close it up once it's in there. To take it out, you push it in, so that stays there. So I think I'm missing a few things to take off this panel, something to do with this, so I'm trying to figure that out. My computer doesn't show me. I haven't done one. Usually this thing will pop up, but this is like it's built-in stuff, so there's nothing in here. I'll figure this guy out, no worries. Okay, so my computer, all that wouldn't help me, but what I did here so far was I just grabbed it from one side and I yanked it, so just a little retainers there. So try to go easy on it, and got something stuck on this side here, which might be something on the inside here, and we got our tweeter here. Okay, there you go. The clip. There's something I can do with that clip right there, but something that just comes out of here. So this thing just goes right back in here. So that's the clip. So you want to yank it really hard. And guess what? We got a Phillip head or number 10 right here. So let's just stick with our Phillip. So this guy comes out. And this door handle needs to come out next, or the whole panel comes with it. Okay, now the door. Okay, that stays behind. I believe that just stays behind. All that stuff stays behind. Okay, we also need to look in here. Me going back to the 10 years back. I used to do a lot of these years back. So I'm gonna change here. Okay, that's that. I do want to see if there's anything here. There shouldn't be nothing here because we did take off a big screw right here. Anyway, so I'm sure this guy, okay, I'm sure this guy comes off as well. And I'm gonna play around with it a bit, see what it does. Okay, new cars are all different, so don't even take that one off, even though I took it off. But if you want to take it off, you can take it off. Pop this guy open. just grabbed it from right here and lifted it up, and then you should be able to get it off. So it's only held in by this little guy, and there should be so start off from this side, okay? Do that. And what we're gonna do here is the harness is very small, so let's remove this guy here. Okay, so I'm gonna have this off. Once I have this off, our switch will just come off. So the switch is off. All you need to do is squeeze this guy, and it comes off. Let this thing sit here. There's the guy that's been holding me up. Okay, it's probably look like it's gonna fall inside. We don't want that. Okay. Alright, so all you need to take this off. You don't need to take out the handle, and after that, your door panel is out of the way. You do have a small little light down there, which you want to disconnect. So you just squeeze and pull it off. There you go. And now you're not going to kill the battery. And our door panel is off. That's how you're going to remove the door panel. And I need to change the... Okay, so I need to change that door handle. The door handle has to come off. Okay, this screw came out as well. The door handle is always in trouble. So the glass got to go up. We're gonna have to put the switch on and make the glass go up. Okay, so to put the panel back in, it's just a reverse procedure. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off. Oh, there goes my light. We're gonna start off by doing a few things. I can't even put my light anywhere. First of all, make sure your harness is out of the way. And if you want to put a little bit of tape there, you can put a tape there. But these little guys are always not gonna stay where they're supposed to stay at. Let me move all of my stuff away. So, make sure you connect this little light connector here. That goes in. And what you want to do here is you want to get this in first, just like that. And then you want to make sure all the holes align. And if they do align and this is all evened out, what we're going to do is we're going to take our little screw to start off right here in the center. That's the first thing I want to do here. That will pinpoint me because I can't see, because I can see this is aligned. So that's aligned. And this guy's in. This guy's in. Can't see in there. There you go. Nice and tight. Smack to cover some of these clips. It needs to be smacked. Okay, this guy's in. There you go. And then we got this little guy right here. We took it off from the center here. It's not a little guy, it's a big guy right there. And don't forget, remember the one I told you not to take off? When I took off, then I told you not to take off. You don't need to take that off. So put this baby back in. Okay, there you go. You have these crazy looking screws that fell down here. There's like 2 golden cover screws here. I'm trying to figure those out. Where did they go? Okay, I think I dropped them both down here. Yeah, I dropped one here. So this is one of it. This is what it looked like. Just want to see my camera can see all this. Come on, camera. There you go. Let's just come a little bit closer. So we got this golden looking one over here. And that golden one has cover that looks like this. It clips right on. You put your finger on it and you push it right in. It's gonna clip right on. Do the same thing for the second one, which I gotta look. Then you got 3 screws down here. And let's forget all that. Let's just continue with major stuff. Let's put in this connector. Make sure this connector clicks. There you go. So we want to put it this way in first, like that. and then smack right there. And if this baby comes out, then something is broken or it's not latched in properly. And what we're gonna do here is, okay, that little retainer did break, so we might end up getting another cover for that. So take it easy with that. Okay, so don't forget the big cover that goes over here. It goes in a certain angle. Okay, so that goes in, so it's nice and flush. Okay, all right, so we're pretty much done over here. We got the cover here. So this cover is very simple. Clip, 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 bada bing, bada boom. We got this little guy right here. Same thing, line it. Make sure the 3 little grommets are lined. You smack on that. Remember this little guy. So pretty much I'm done. I need to put 3 or 4 screws in the bottom. This guy, which I have to look where I put it at. And don't forget, remember this little guy. You take this little guy, it's gotta be out now. Before it was in, we pushed it in, now it's out. So they look like, so get this part first. Okay, there you go. And then you wanna just push it slowly, gently, and it's nice and flush. Thank you for watching, guys. And we have successfully removed and installed the panel and also replaced the handle.